Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, plug in your Google Home and the Bluetooth speaker, and keep them close. Once done, open the Google Home app and confirm you're signed into the same Google account. This prevents pairing conflicts. Make sure the speaker is in pairing mode and note any PIN it requires. Next, check that Bluetooth is enabled on the phone running the app. This sets the stage so the app can discover the speaker immediately when you continue. Now you'll use the Google Home app to pair. You tap the Home device card, go to Settings, then Audio, and choose Paired Bluetooth Devices. Once there, enable pairing or select Setup Device so the app searches for nearby speakers. When your speaker appears, tap to connect, and if prompted, enter the PIN displayed by the speaker. After pairing, make sure to set the Bluetooth speaker as the default audio output for that Google Home so voice and media route to it. To finish, test the connection. Ask Google to play music or stream audio from your phone. Sound should come from the Bluetooth speaker. If audio is intermittent, make sure devices are closer, remove obstacles, and restart both the speaker and Google Home. Once restarted, recheck the paired devices list. If the issue persists, unpair and repeat the setup and look for firmware updates for both devices. This single troubleshooting tip solves most pairing headaches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.